Dear students, today we are going to solve question number 23. Here the question is, if the first and the nth term of a ZP are A and B respectively, and if P is the product of n terms ki product se capital P na denote tawreko, then prove that P square is equal to AB to the power n. Nangi ZP amagi first term sina A ni laure, aduga B sina nangi nth suba term duni ko. Adu A se first term tare. A is the first term and R be the common ratio of the ZP. Kuna common ratio R se. Nangi geometric progression namagi common ratio se R ni na khale ko. Nangi first term se A ore, aduga nangi second term se. Kuna si A1 oin haigi ko. Let A1 be the first term and R be the common ratio of the ZP. And so A1 se A tare. Question nama first term se A ni hai ko. And nth term of the ZP is equal to B. And nth terms is general form the arrow AR to the power n minus 1 is equal to B. And it is given that the product of the first n terms product A1 into A2 into A3 into up to AN sigi product sa capital P na denote ko. A1 means first term, A2 second term, AR tare ko, A3 AR square, and the nth term say AR to the power n minus 1 ni. A product say n times ni ko, A to the power n, and han bagi say R to the power not plus 1 2 3 up to n minus 1 R gi product what kaniba. Dun R gi number of terms say n minus 1 phangi ko. A to the power n and R to the power the sum of the first n terms se. Habadi nangi natural number se 1 dagi horagi n minus 1 gi terms ni. First term se 1 tare, last term is equal to n minus 1 and total number of term is equal to n minus 1. Aduna number of terms is equal n minus 1 divided by 2. Then write first term and write nangi last term. Last term se n minus 1 SN gi formula the n by 2 A plus L habisi use tawreko. Total number of terms of the series is equal to n minus 1. First term is equal to 1 and last term of the series is equal to n minus 1. Sigi formula se ko apply tawre. Then we get A to the power n, R to the power n minus 1 by 2. C plus 1 ga minus 1 ga cancel tawradi. N phangi ko. A to the power n, R to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. Si kaino haibakanda nangi product of the first n terms to gi expression neba. Hauze na so tawdu se kaino P square is equal to AB to the power n. Si prove tawdu ni ko. Then nangi right hand side yan hola se right hand side of the expression AB to the power n. A thame B se kaino nangi nth term. Nangi general term nth term of the ZP ni R to the power n minus 1 to the power n lere ko. A to the power 2n, R to the power n minus 1 multiplied by n into R minus 1 tare. Left hand side se P square ni ko. P square habadi nangi ngasai P gi value se A to the power n, R to the power n minus 1 by 2 whole square. Si nangi P gi value ni the square lo si ko. A to the power 2n duga R to the power n minus 1 by 2 c plus 2 ga cancel taw taragadi R to the power n minus 1 sigi expression je phange. Dudi nang A to the power n ga P square gi value siga manabra manadabra check taw si ko. AB square AB to the power n sina A to the power 2n R to the power n minus 1 aduga nangi P square gi value su chap manare, hence P square is equal to AB to the power n. Sina question number 13 ni ko. Next question. Question number 24. So that the ratio of the sum of the first n terms of a ZP to the sum of the terms from n plus 1 to 2 times of n term is equal to 1 by R to the power n. Nangi geometric progression nama the sum of the first n terms tagi adugi ratio da nangi number of terms say n plus 1 dagi hauraga 2 times of n baugi sum gi ratio say 1 by R to the power n. Sini banang prove tawdu si ko. Question number 24. Let us suppose that A be the first term and R be the common ratio of the ZP. Then we have to write the sum of the first n terms. Sum of the first n terms is equal to A1 plus A2 plus AN divided by the sum of the terms from n plus 1 to 2 times of n terms, which is denoted by AN plus 1, AN plus 2, and last term is AN 2 times of n. Then write the general expression of each term of the geometric progression. First term A, second term AR, third term AR square, and the last term AN will be equal to AR to the power n minus 1. And this AN plus 1 can be expressed as r to the power n plus 1 minus 1 n tarani ko a r to the power n minus 1 and last term will be equal to a r to the power 2 times of n minus 1. Then taking plus a common from numerator dagi a common lauro 1 plus r to the power 1 r square, last term will be r to the power 1, and taking a r to the power n common from denominator a r to the power n common lau tho di 1 phange, r की value से 1 lem hore, r square lem hore, last term will be r to the power 2n minus 1 kai khaidokani minus n से खोना subtract तौनी को 1 खोना a cancel तौरे 1 phange 1 plus r square r to the power n minus 1, next r to the power n से लेरे r 1 plus r square dot 2 times of n dagi n ama khaidokradi n minus 1 phangi ko si ani se expression chap manar cancel taunaragadi the sum of the first n terms of the ZP divided by the sum of the terms from n plus 1 to 2 times of n terms will be equal to 1 by r to the power n. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thank you. Left hand side se right hand side ka chap manare ko. Next question number 26. Insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is a ZP. 3 ga 81 ga gi marakta number ani insert tawgadariba number duga 381 ga se geometric progression ama form tawgadaba ko. Question number 26. Nangi insert tawriba number sina geometric progression form tawtaragadi insert tawriba number sing se geometric mean oidoini ko. Now we are going to insert two geometric mean Z1 and Z2 in between 3 and 81. 3 ga 81 ga gi marakta geometric mean ani insert tawdoini. Now let us suppose that let G1 and Z2 be the two numbers to be inserted in between 3 and 81 such that 3, G1, Z2 and 81 form a geometric progression. Geometric progression ang form tawreko. Here first term A1 is equal to 3. Nang si GP amane. There is a GP consisting of 4 terms only. Nangi terms se mari laiduni ko. First term 3, total number of terms is equal to 4 and last term. Last term means 4th term of the sequence denoted by A4 is equal to 81. Then write the formula of A4. A4 gives general form iro A r to the power 3 is equal to 1. Then putting r is equal to 3 and dividing both sides by 3 we have 81 by 3. 27 tareko. And this 27 can be expressed as 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 the thambeyare duga cube root lauro. Taking cube root on both sides of the equation, the value of r is equal to plus 3. So main tauraga koina nangi geometric progression sigi first term khange common ratio r khange ko. Common ratio r khangbadagi di G1 G2 ibayara ni ba. G1 G2 ito se kamai ito ani. Mathang da koina Z1 ga Z2 ga irasi ko. Z1 hai tardi nangi second term ne, but second terms of the ZP first term multiply by common ratio 3 9 tare and Z2 is equal to second term multiply by 3 27 phange ko. Tangni insert tagodariba number ani se 9 ga 27 ga tare. Next question number 27. Find the value of n so that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by a to the power n plus b to the power n may be the geometric mean between a and b. A ga b ga gi marakta leba geometric mean se sigi expression se oitaragadi khoina kai gi value hot kani n gi value hot se ko. Question number 27. Geometric mean between a and b is equal to a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by a to the power n plus b to the power n. But the geometric mean between any two positive numbers a and b is equal to root over product of two numbers a, b is equal to a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 sitare. A b multiplied by a to the power n plus b to the power n. Cross multiplication apply tore multiply to sinaro root over a b into a to the power n root over a b into b to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1. See root over a b ni ko. A to the power n minus a to the power n plus 1 b to the power n plus 1 thame. Koina kana separate tore harakanda a to the power n nangi highest power of n sina left hand side ta and b gi power achoba sing sina right hand side ta sumaina separate tore ko. Root over ab a to the power n c transpose toradi minus a to the power n plus 1 b to the power n plus 1 minus root over ab and b to the power n C root over A B se a to the power n common logthokradi root over A root over B minus A fange sidana B to the power n B laire ko minus root A and the root B sitarani a to the power n root A root B A se kamaina iba root over A whole square iba B to the power n root over B ki whole square minus root over A into root over B si fange ko sigi B se root over B whole square de express tore A to the power n root A whole square root A common lore root B minus root A B to the power n root B common lore ko root B minus root A fange ani se cancel tawgrani ba dudi nang kayo ne fangore A to the power n A power base mane ko power plus tawsi n plus 1 by 2 power of square root ki power se sin radical form ni exponent da la di 1 by 2 B to the power n plus 1 by 2 A to the power n plus 1 by 2 B to the power n plus 1 by 2 divide tawre 1 fange ko same powers ne A by B to the power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 any positive number of the positive number of the divide tawgi powers the 1 ta ba habse karum kind of possible or which is possible only if n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and by solving this equation we get the value of n is equal to minus 1 by 2 sigi mawang da khoina nangi n gi value se puthok pe are ko next question number 28 let a and b be any two positive numbers ne question number 28 se question an pasi ko the sum of the two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean the sum of the two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean so that the numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2 nangi number ani gi sum se 6 times of their geometric mean oi have dudi nangi number sing se si gi ratio de lay have ko si yang si question number 28 let capital A and B be the two numbers nangi numbers ani se kai ne na khale koina numbers ani se ko let A and B be the two numbers and so it is given that the sum of the two numbers A plus B is equal to 6 times of geometric mean between A and B geometric mean of A and B se square root of product of AB na pirani ba the AB is equal to 6 se kamaina ibayai 2 into 3 root 2 ani ibaya ko A plus B sigi 2 amaga root over AB ga se cross multiplication na left gi right gi left puro aduga 3 le hore ko duse kamaina ithok pe ai A plus B 2 into root A root B is equal to 3 da kaina divide to ga mane 1 na divide to ga mane ko write equation number 1 then applying componendo and dividendo on equation number 1 we get componendo dividendo habadi numerator denominator gi sum sina numerator da iba numerator da gi denominator khaidok pasina nangi denominator di igadaba ko and so write the sum of denominator and numerator in numerator A plus B 2 times of root A root B makada ne A plus B minus 2 root A root B numerator minus denominator numerator plus denominator si mong da lai ko 3 by 1 habasida 3 na numerator ni 1 na denominator ni 3 plus 1 makada na 3 minus 1 A can be expressed as root A whole square B can be expressed as root B whole square plus 2 times of root A root B tareko divided by root A whole square plus root B whole square minus 2 times of root A root B is equal to 4 by 2 and is reduced already 2 by 1 da hantabay ko root A square plus root B square plus 2 times of root A root B root A plus root B gi square ne chikana gi expansion no root A plus root B gi square tare ko makha gi expansion china root A minus root B whole square tare which is equal to 2 by 1 and taking square root on both sides of the equation square root lore root A plus root B divided by root A minus root B is equal to square root of 2 is equal to root 2 and square root of 1 mighty 1 jet kre ko sigi equation si da muk makha ta na khoina kai apply to gani componendo and dividendo apply to siko now applying componendo and dividendo on the above equation we get sida mo khoina componendo dividendo pale kamain tara ki check tawar siko mathak de igadaba sina sum of numerator and denominator root A plus root B plus root A minus root B sina numerator sina denominator niko makada na subtract tawgadaba is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus root b cancel already 2 times of root a divided by root a plus root b minus root a minus minus plus tareko. Sinise cancel taunare root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. This the koina phangise kai phangawe 2 times of root a root b get root b plus tau tardi 2 times of root b tareko is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. Sigi maong da leire koina 2 cancel tauradi kai le hore 2 cancel tore kwa root a by root b root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 che phange ba nangi root cha mong nang na eliminate toba pam taraga di squaring logan squaring on both sides of the equation squaring loradi a by b tare kwa du di khoina square lo du se root 2 plus 1 square divided by root 2 minus 1 square sine a plus b square expand to ro sina a minus b square expand to sikwa root 2 whole square plus 2 times of root 2 1 plus 1 square 1 tare ko root 2 whole square minus 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 whole square 2 times of root 2 1 gi 1 am laire root 2 whole square gi 2 laire ko minus 2 root 2 plus 1 sigi 2 ga 1 ga plus tawra di 3 2 root 2 phange makha gi sina 3 minus 2 root 2 si phange ko to di nangi ngasai number ani do number ani ki ratio say a na plus hoy bakanda b na minus hoy duni ko hence the ratio of the two numbers are 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2 sigi maong da khoina a b ki ratio puthokani. Last question is question number 29. If a and c be the arithmetic mean and geometric mean respectively between the two positive numbers, prove that the numbers are a plus minus root over a plus z and a minus z. Nangi a sina arithmetic mean or z sina geometric mean or between any two positive numbers, then we have to prove that the numbers are a plus minus root over a plus z and a minus b. Nangi number ani se a plus minus root over a plus z a minus z ne have seen and prove towards the question number 29. Let a and b be the two given numbers. It is given that a is equal to arithmetic mean between a and b, and which is equal to a plus b by 2. See arithmetic mean ni ko. See question is solve tawrakanda 2 times of a is equal to a plus b phange. Mathang the geometric mean say root over ab ne squaring low tar di z square is equal to ab. Then when class 10 the sutamni ko formation of quadratic equation haina tame. Formation of quadratic equation the alpha beta na roots of a quadratic equation oibakanda mana form tawba quadratic equation se x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta ina saleko. Housing nang ni a b se root ne na khaloba to the a plus b se 2 times of a laire aduga a b se na z square se pire ko. Then the quadratic equation formed by the numbers a and b is haraga kaina pirakani x square minus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to 0, and so we have to replace this a plus b by 2 times of a and ab divided by z square. Si quadratic equation हमने quadratic equation in kaida laiba x da laiba ni ko x square minus 2 times of ax plus z square is equal to 0. Si koina quadratic method sijinaragi x ki value puthokse. Given quadratic equation is x square minus 2 times of ax plus z square is equal to 0, and here a coefficient of x square 1 b minus 2 times of a c constant c se z square laire ko, and by quadratic method the roots of the quadratic equation x is given by the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times of a. Didi minus b minus minus plus dare ko, and plus minus root over silagti se b square hai minus 2a square minus 4 times of a 1 tare ko aduga c ki value na z square divided by 2 times of a. 2 times of a plus minus root over 4a square minus 4z square divided by 2. 2 times of a plus minus 4 common low to square root low taradi 2 phange ko root over a square minus z square divided by 2. 2 cancel tawradi a plus minus ki 2 common low to aga sina kakpe are natraga 2a plus minus 2 root over a square minus z square 2 na divide to are ko a plus minus root over a square minus z square si phange ba. Dudi therefore a nangi root se a ga b ga oigidana ko a sina plus se lauro, b sina minus se lauro, and hence the two numbers are a plus minus root over a square minus g square. Sigi a square minus b square se akoina makha tana factorize tawba yai. A plus z haiba amaga kaigada express tawba yai a minus z ko. Sisu chap manana a minus root over a plus z multiplied by a minus z. So my next express tawba yai. For today, let's end here.